This plant identification guide for chinaberry tree, Melia azedarach, has been created by the Center for Invasive Species and Ecosystem Health at the University of Georgia. Chinaberry tree is a deciduous tree. It grows to about 50 feet in height and 2 feet in diameter. It is semi-shade tolerant and forms colonies from root sprouts and root collars. Chinaberry tree invades disturbed areas and is commonly found along roads, forest edges, and fence lines. It has the potential to grow into dense thickets, restricting the growth of native vegetation. It tolerates a wide variety of conditions, growing well in riparian areas along rivers or streams, as well as much more arid places such as the central medians of highways. Chinaberry tree is native to Southeast Asia and northern Australia. It was introduced into the United States in the mid-1800s as an ornamental plant. The leaves of chinaberry tree are bipinnately compound and range from 1 to 2 feet in length and from 9 to 16 inches wide. They are dark to medium green on the upper side, lighter green underneath, and turning gold and yellow in the fall. The leaf stalks are slightly clasping and arranged alternately and whorled along the stem. The bark of chinaberry tree can be green to brown, with lenticels, which are light-colored dots. Wide V-shaped leaf scars are found all along the trunk. The bark of chinaberry tree turns darker brown and becomes fissured as it ages. Chinaberry tree blooms from March through May. The flowers are carried on showy panicles which arise from the lower axils of new stems. The flower has 5 pinkish lavender to white petals, and the stamens are united in a dark purple tube. The flower has 5 green sepals and is very fragrant. The fruit on chinaberry tree has usually developed by about July, but may remain on the tree year-round. It is a round drupe, about ½ an inch to almost an inch wide, and contains a stone with 1 to 6 seeds. The color of the fruit starts out as light green, turning to yellowish green, then yellowish tan. Chinaberry tree seeds are spread by birds. The fruit is poisonous to both humans and livestock. When young, the chinaberry tree can look like common elderberry, a native shrub, but elderberry leaves are only once pinnately compound. The fruit of native soapberry trees does look very similar to chinaberry fruit, but again the soapberry leaves are only once pinnately compound. The foliage of the native tree, devil's walking stick, is very similar to chinaberry tree leaves, but the native tree has thorns. These identifying characteristics can help you distinguish between the invasive chinaberry tree and native plants which may resemble it. For more images of all of these plants, go to Bugwood Images. Control and management strategies can be found for this and other species at invasive.org. Simply click on the Plants tab, then click on the species you want from the list. If you want to search by common name, click on Subject Name at the top of the list, and it will alphabetize the list by common name. Thank you for watching this training video on chinaberry tree, Melia azedarach, which was created by the people at Bugwood.